Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
I have made
Good
the
morning, ma'am.
You have made a oh, whoa, that's actually really nice.
I have made this last Friday
Good morning, ma'am.
Did Diane help you?
with the cutting part only.
Morning, ma'am. It kind
Good
of looks little.
morning.
It kind of looks a little bad, but it's okay.
It
It's
looks
okay.
good. It doesn't look bad.
It's like a little dirty instead of
Oh,
mine. Mine is not dirty for some
But it
reason.
always wants to find
what
things
about the others? Where are yours? Are you guys able to see
What
me?
about the like
Ma'am,
four?
Miss Durpee, can you make this?
Ah,
Okay,
that's
I'll try.
good.
Not that only. I have made
can I
one.
Okay, everyone turn on your cameras first of all.
Ma'am,
Turn
do
on
you
your
want to
camera.
see my ninja?
Definitely. Are you guys able to see me? Because I'm not able to see myself.
No, I
Good
can't.
morning, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Morning.
ma'am, do you want to see my ninja crafts?
Ninja craft.
The first one. Ah.
Wow.
I love the little part where he says, "Ah, choo."
Yeah, that's so
He
cool.
sounds like Pikachu.
Yo.
It sounds like Pikachu.
I also
It's
made
like,
one of those, but it works in real. If you like spin it,
Yeah,
yeah,
I
it
have.
works in real. And I also make targets and like try to get them down.
This is not arrogant. This is karambit.
Okay,
Yeah,
first of all, I want to tell you which group you are. Many of you don't know which group you are, right? Which
Ma'am,
group
I'm
this?
PYA1. I'm PYA1.
That is our class. I'm talking about the group.
Ma'am, can I say something?
Yes, Milan.
Ma'am, I have played a grow in the Friday.
Miss, what is our group? Tell me.
Just one person. Wait. Yes, Milan. Let's do this with the Milan first. Yes, Milan.
Admin officer, I'm in Phoenix, right, team?
That's what.
Admin, no.
There may be few changes.
Ma'am is not the admin officer now. I'm in team this.
Shall I read the
I'm an
name?
auditorium. I'm an auditorium.
Ma'am, wait, ma'am, wait, I'll show.
You're in
I think
Phoenix. I'm in auditorium. The first
Okay, wait. Now let me read. First I read Griffith, okay? Griffith. Griffith we have. Just raise your hand if I read your name. Sounds good? That sounds a little better, right? Griffith we have Haya. Haya is not here. We have Barira. Is Barira here? Raise your hand, Barira. We have Milan. Milan is there. That's nice. You got company. Then Rachel, put your hand down. You're not in Griffith right now. I didn't read your name, right? Then we have Joanne is here in this group. Alfate Sidra. Alfate Amila also. These many people are in Griffith. Oh my God. Did I leave anyone? Just let me cross check so that Sidra, Joanne, Amila. Okay. Now, Griffith can put your hands down. Let's go to Phoenix. Griffith can put the hand down. I'll just unmute as soon as I read the names, okay? I just want to make sure. Ihan, Ishan, then we have, where is the name? Lazel, Aishan, Lazel, Aishan. Is there any name I didn't read? Everyone's name is read, right? And then me. I'm in Phoenix.
no,
Okay.
you're not. You're just a little teacher, which you have to
Now
teach
I
students.
want to be in
ma'am,
Phoenix.
but I'm not
Ma'am, can I
invited to the
show
recruitment
something?
group at whatever that is.
I want to be
If
in
I
team
go home in
Phoenix
classroom,
football.
All the competitions carry points, okay? Like,
And I want to
Lazel,
be.
logo competition is over, dear. It's over
Uh,
2 days ago. You can
I
still
give you. I give you like 4 days or ago something.
You didn't send me.
I send you in the Gmail.
Check the Gmail. Is it
Maybe you
gone?
told you don't have Gmail.
Ah,
Ma'am, you have
I didn't get it on Gmail. I got Ayas. I got Alfate. You have not sent it. You can share your Gmail.
Ma'am,
Can you share your
but I
Gmail?
don't know how to send
I
a
have
Gmail.
sent
That's
it.
why
Ma'am,
I
I
have
don't know.
sent a link and the
share your Gmail, Laser.
ma'am, did you send ma'am, did you saw mine? I sent right. Can you
Those who
see?
all I got, okay.
Can you see it now? Can you see?
Yeah, that one I can see.
Ma'am, I also sent two, ma'am. I even give you my link.
Laser.
Ma'am, I also finished.
Okay. Where
Ma'am,
is
did you got it?
Milan? Let me check, okay? That is
Ma'am,
very, very nice design, by the way. It's Milan Matthew, right? Yes, I got it. Who else? Who else? Barilla has sent me?
I don't know how to.
Let me check.
I didn't send you. Haya
Okay.
sent you.
Barilla is not Hayas, I have, those I have given.
Haya were working together. Even
Yeah.
even though the competition was in
What
towards
about your video competition? Did anyone
video
try doing that?
competition, I'm not
I
joining.
You're
forgot.
not,
Too much on my hands.
you're not there? Forgot. And also, November 12th, our another competition is coming up.
News reporter.
Yeah,
Mini news
and that's
reporter.
and
Ma'am,
that's
what
what
is
I'm worried about.
news
If
reporter?
I lose someone.
Can I
Yeah,
say
I don't know
something?
which news to pick.
Ma'am,
Any news you can select.
Even
ma'am,
the India's weather.
Yes, sure, why not?
What about Philippines earthquake?
Definitely.
Wait, I think I need to go on Google and
Guys, we have 2 more days, okay? Prepare well.
How about the ChatGPT?
We have to win this, right? See,
one
the
game
first you win, your team will get the point. Ufit will get the point or Phoenix will get the point if you win.
ma'am, so it's just like this. PYA1 is against the other classes. Like,
Even itself we are having 2 teams. See, you guys are
ma'am, but
administrators.
in the reporter, in the reporter,
Yes.
in the reporter, we are like doing with other classes, right?
Yeah, same as we, other classmates only the foundation, PYA, PYB, PYC, only 3 grades. No other grades. Only 3 grades. But you need to prepare in advance. If you prepare, there is no age. It's not a problem itself. You just have to prepare. Okay? We have 2 more days. Select a good news. Try a good dress. Maybe even a glasses would help. Any props you want. For example, if you are representing weather, maybe take an umbrella. Yes?
Miss, I already have glasses.
Ah, then it's good, right? Even you can take umbrella, like you can say it's raining very heavily and like reporting live from the what to say place.
Yeah.
You can act it out. Just do your best. Okay,
Okay.
we have 2 more days. I'm reminding you again, 2 more days. Okay,
On
people.
social media,
Okay.
it's always raining so hard.
So I'll see you after 2 more days. Bye bye. Have a good day.
Bye.
Bye
Sorry,
bye.
Ma'am is here.
Bye, ma'am.